Want to clear your search and browsing history on Chrome? Whether you're looking to free up space, improve privacy, or just start fresh, here's how to do it in a few easy steps. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. In the top right corner, tap the three dots to open the menu, then select History. Now tap Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options to delete data from different time ranges, like the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Choose the one that fits your needs. Next, select the types of data you want to remove. You can clear your browsing history, cookies and site data, or cached images and files. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites. Once you're ready, tap Clear Data and that's it. Your browsing history is now deleted, giving you a cleaner and more private browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and effective tech tips.